Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: a Google account and a few name ideas. First, sign into Blogger and click Create New Blog. This begins your site instantly. Choose a clear title and test a few subdomain options until one is available. Once done, select a simple starter template so your layout is ready. Make sure to reserve the URL now rather than later, because names get taken quickly, and this saves time when you move on to customizing and posting content. Now you shape the blog so it looks professional and works for visitors. Open theme and tweak layout, fonts, and colors. Preview every change to ensure readability on mobile and desktop. Next, add essential pages like About and Contact, and adjust reading and comment settings so spam is controlled. If you plan to track traffic or earn, connect Analytics and AdSense in settings. These integrations take a few minutes and help you monitor growth and revenue. Once configured, write your first pillar post with a strong headline, relevant labels, and at least one image. This helps search and sharing. Hit publish, then test the live page on mobile and desktop, and share the link to at least 2 social channels to start traffic. If you see layout issues or missing widgets, clear your browser cache and reload. If the theme broke, restore the template backup or reapply a default theme. Make sure to save backups after fixes so you can recover quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.